Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate that. And y'all, as you can see behind me, most of my bags are not in this room anymore, and I didn't get robbed. I didn't sell all of my bags. If you watched my last video, you knew that. But we are in the process of moving to a new home, so it's taken a little while. So this will be the last video and unboxing I do in this bag room. So in the middle of this video, after I do my bag reveal and review, I'm gonna go through some different iterations from the last 3 years of this channel and this bag room. So just kind of a look back on the times and the way this room looked and just some memories for me. And if you're interested to watch as well. So stay tuned for that at the end and we'll see some of the changes this room has gone through over the last 3 years and length of my channel. So I do appreciate all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm over 2,500 now. And I hope to see everybody in the new bag room that's coming up in my new home. It's gonna be fabulous. So definitely come back to check that out. Probably be there in mid-November or something like that. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you wanna see more of this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button before you leave today and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post a lot of really high quality images of stuff that I'm gonna review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, y'all definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there with some shopping links as well. So definitely check that out. And lastly, if everybody could just take one moment to give this video a like, give me a thumbs up, I appreciate that. Now let's get on with today's bag unboxing. Today, y'all, I have a bag that was out of stock, but now it's back in stock. It is the Turnlock in the Love Leather from Coach, and it's really, really beautiful. And I saw this in Dillard's when I was looking at the Empire, back when I got my Empire in Dillard's, and I just was like, that's really intriguing, this bag. So I just went ahead and ordered it because I was like, out of all the other Love Leather, this is the bag that I want. Now it comes in 2 sizes. There's a larger size and then a smaller size. Now the large one is the one that sold out, but currently I just looked, they're back in stock on Amazon and Dillard's. So if you're interested in this bag, you can definitely still get it. This is the larger size. Of course, you know I like a larger size bag most of the time. I did order this one from Amazon, and here's the box it came in, of course, Amazon box. Let's take this little cutter and get into the box here and see how this bag looks. I've had this bag for a couple of weeks now, so I'm excited to get into it and see how it looks, and hopefully I'm gonna like it and actually keep the bag. I have had to have several returns to Coach lately just because I didn't really care for the bags I got, especially that suede in that army green color. If you watched my last few videos, you'd know what I'm talking about. So here is the inside of what it was packed like. So we have a box in a box. So probably because it came from Coach, and I'm sure Amazon just packages it from Coach and then sends it in their own box. But so we have another box here, and this one is probably the one from Coach because it's got their labeling and everything on it. So let's use our cutter again, and we're gonna cut to the second box here and see what we've got. These little cutters are so convenient. All right, so in the second box here, let's open it up and see what we have here. All right, y'all, so here it is on the inside. Let me just show you. Let me pull the bag out for you, and then we'll do a little reveal here. It's in this little package, like foamy styrofoam stuff, but I can still kind of see the bag here. So let's get into it and see what we've got here. Pull some of this packaging off. And here is the bag. I have it backwards, of course. There it is, y'all. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. I just love this Love Leather. This is one of the most fabulous leather prints that I have ever seen as far as the coloring and varnishment on some leather. So shout out to Coach for coming out with this, and I hope they come out with some more stuff kind of like this in some different colors as well. Let me take some of this packaging off here and we'll get more into the bag. All right, y'all, so I got all of the packaging and everything off the bag, the wrapping and everything. I still have some tags on it here, but let's do a 360 of the bag and I'm gonna come back and show you some close-up details of this bag. So this is the front side of it. Get that tag out of the way there. There's the front side of it. We'll do a little spin here. There is the side there with your zipper pull. And then there is the back side of it. Move that tag out of the way. So very nice. I don't see any damage or anything on it from shipping, so that's nice. And then of course your bottom is gonna have feet on it as well. So there's the bottom of it. And then let me show you the top. There is the top with your big chunky zipper pull, which I love. Okay, so that is the 360 of the bag. Let's go in closer and I'll show you some close-ups on this bag. Now I did want to tell you it did come with a dust bag in the packaging, but y'all know how we feel about that. It's just a damn dust bag. We get rid of those. All right, so let's go close up on this bag and I'm gonna show you some details. Canvasy material that's got a little bit of texture to it in a kind of a beigey brown color. So I like that. And then on the other side, you do have a huge pocket here that snaps closed there. There's some Coach paperwork on the inside. And then of course your journey tag is right there. So really nice interior on this bag. Let me zip it up for you. I'm gonna show you the rest. All right, so then on the back side of the bag here is just a really pretty varnish leather on the back there. It's really soft. This leather feels good. It's supple. It has a nice shape to it though. So I really like that. And then on the bottom, let me show you the bottom. There is your feet on the bottom. So very nice. The coloring on this bag is really, really nice as well. And it does say genuine glove tan leather on the bottom there in that gold there, if you can see that on the bottom there. So that is the bottom of the bag. The color on it just looks so beautiful. All right, and then let me just show you the straps up close. The straps, they do not come off, but they are attached and you can wear them over the shoulder or just wear it you know, in your hand. So there it is, and of course it has that pretty, really pretty leather on it. And that really nice color. Here's the other one as well. Okay, so just beautiful. I think this bag is so stunning. It does come with a couple of hang tags on it. Here is the hang tags. Of course, that one's in Coach. It has the varnishment on the hang tags too as well. So that's kind of new. The back side of it actually has Coach on it too. There is the tag. You can read it there if you can see it on camera. But that is it. And then there's the back side of it in that pretty leather. So I love those hang tags. Of course, I'm going to style this bag up and, you know, make it my own and style it and get some different things on it. Maybe wrap the handle a little bit, but I think it's really, really cute. I love the size of it and I'm really happy to add this to my collection from Coach. So y'all let me know what you think about this bag in the comments. I am gonna do some mod shots here where you can see how the bag wears. And then after that, y'all, we're gonna come back and reminisce a little bit about some of the iterations of this Bagroom, and you get to see how it's changed over the span of the 3 years of my channel. So y'all come back for that and I will see everybody in the end of this video. All right, y'all, so here's how the bag looks being worn. It's a really nice size bag and I love the leather on it. So really, really nice. Let's see how it fits over my shoulder here. Pretty good. I have a pretty thick shoulder, so it wears pretty good on me. I think it's a good comfortable length. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments on how it looks over the shoulder. I don't usually wear bags over the shoulder a whole lot, but I have been trying to start since I've lost a little weight. But let me know what you think about it over the shoulder. Should I wear it over the shoulder or should I just carry it like this? What do y'all think? I don't know. I like it both ways, but I might do it over the shoulder. It's comfortable and it's kind of squishy under your arm, so I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think, but I love this bag and I love the leather on it. I think she's beautiful. So I will definitely add it to my collection and she's going to be a keeper. So thank y'all for watching. All right, y'all, let's go down memory lane as we see some of the different iterations of this Bagroom and some of the beautiful bags I've shown over the last 3 years. Y'all enjoy. All right, y'all, so here we go. Apparently in the beginning, I was just a chin. I had no face. But eventually I did start to show my face more and the room continued to evolve. And as you can see, things were a lot different back then. I did have quite a few bags still, but the room continued to progress and I got more and more things and changed it up a bit and got some more furniture in. And then eventually I got a couple of new shelves here and they were loaded down. So I thought they were actually a little bit too many bags on the shelves, and I eventually went to this, as you can see, with these really nice IKEA shelves, which I love, and that's my current today. All right, y'all, so that is the review on this beautiful Turnlock from Coach and this beautiful love leather. This is my second love leather bag from them, and I'm glad to add it to my little collection of my Coach love leather. It probably won't be the last Coach bag, even though I said that in the title of the video. You know I love Coach, but it will be the last Coach bag I review in this Bagroom. And thank you so much for watching the reminiscent slideshow that I had for the past 3 years span of this channel. I've had some really good times in this Bagroom here, and I've shown some really beautiful bags as well. If you've watched, you'll know what I'm talking about. But y'all, I do appreciate y'all for tuning in. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if everybody could just take a moment to give this video a like, I do appreciate it. And let me know what you think about this beautiful bag in the comments. I'll see y'all on my next bag review and in the new Bagroom. So until then, y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.